Okay, so this is actually my first time ever wearing false lashes.
There's a reason for that, you fucking idiot. On this, you're going to see one of the biggest fuck-ups on my channel.
Ever. Like, ever. Okay. So these, they're all by the same company, The Cream Shop. 100% human hair eyelashes. This says number 43 in black. Hopefully you can see that. I got 3 pairs, by the way. This one I already opened because these are the ones that I'm going to be wearing. This one is number 747 medium, or M. I don't know what M means. I'm going to assume medium. In black. All of them are actually in black, just letting you know. I don't know if you can see the 747. Right, and then the last ones, which I'm going to wear tomorrow for New Year's. WSP, I don't really know. Don't mind the packaging, it came like this. So, you know, I got see this cute little eyelash thing to hold them. And coincidentally, it holds 3 pairs of lashes. These at Bed Bath & Beyond. All the tutorials that I looked up, I saw Revlon and I saw this as well. This brand, Ardell. I got the eyelash applicator with this little tip thing, so you can like adjust them when you're putting them on. And then I got the eyelash adhesive. On most of them, I kept seeing on most of the tutorials that I read, on most of the tutorials that I watched, I kept seeing the girls say to get clear. So that's what I got.
Alright, so just look at this shit first of all. Look at how when I measure it, the fact that it's not even on my eye correctly without the glue should have said something. Like I should have known that that wasn't gonna go on easily, but whatever. Look at this shit. I did skip to the next video in this, by the way, so like that's why like one scene you see that there's no glue, the next there is glue. But yeah, I'm just clamping it down, fucking it up some more. Like, look at the inner corner. The inner corner isn't even on. And you know, if you fuck up one eye, you gotta fuck up the other. I mean, come on. Like, look at that shit, yo. Like, the glue is all, like, dry and glumpy. I don't even, like, what is going on? I just feel bad for myself right now. Watching this, like, watching this is actually making me cringe. And look at me just showing you guys how badly I fucked up and shit. Anywho, next day, using the little party lashes. Decided to use hair glue because my friend said, you know, use that instead. But y'all peep the lighting difference though? You know, just putting that out there. I got 2 light bulbs in this one instead. The last video I had only 1 light bulb in the room. But anywho, after measuring that, I put the glue on. And it looked good for a second, like it really did. That elf mirror is from Mimi. Yeah, I still got like half of your shit, bro. Look, looks like it goes on nicely and stuff. It actually felt like it was easy for a second until I did this and adjusted that inner corner. So now, like, I have glue on the top of the eyelash itself, but I said fuck it, you know, I'm gonna try to make this work and use my eyelash curler to clamp it. And it did look okay, but the shit still looked ugly, bro. And you know, that second eye again, you know, team fuck up. Look, see? Like, this shit actually looks like it's going on, like, it's going well. bam. And I don't know why I can never get that inner corner. It's okay. I tried to adjust it. You know, I tried. Definitely give a bitch E for effort. Not an A though, cause yeah. And look at me showing y'all the final results and walking off mad as hell. I was so mad up in this shit. I was so over it, bro. Like, I am done with lashes. Started lashes at the end of 2017, ended them shits off like, fuck y'all. You know a bitch had to add a Snapchat edition. Hope you guys enjoyed. Back to wearing millions of coats of mascara for me, because I just completely failed in wearing false lashes. I know it's something like so little, but I don't even want to go out anymore. I was gonna go out by myself, mind you. Like, I'm so mad. Yo, I'm trying hard not to cry. My eye is burning, yo. Like, and bitches already know when you put on like mad mascara and eyeliner and you fuck up, so you have to do it again. Like, and now my camera isn't focusing right. Yeah, so from the looks of it, I'm gonna start 2018 the same way I ended 2017, failing. When it comes to makeup, I mean. I don't think y'all ready for the glow up that I have in stored. But anyways, I deadass looked up like mad tutorials. I posted this shit on Facebook. I got advice from all my girls, and like, this shit just failed. It just fucking failed. My curls done dropped. This is like the serious con of having thick, long hair. Dreadlocks, at least. I mean, I'm still cute though. That moment you tell a lie to yourself to make yourself feel better.